Welcome back, kindergartners. Today will be our last day of talking about holidays. Tomorrow we will work on word work, just like we do every Friday. And then next week, we are going to start our next unit in Benchmark, Unit 8. Can you believe we're already starting Unit 8? Before we do that, though, let's finish up holidays. I've got another short informational text for us. And then next week, I promise, we'll get to some more fun books. Longer ones. You'll like them. This holiday, the last one we're learning about, is President's Day. Do you remember that one? We also had school off for this one. It was in February. This was the same week that Miss Siegel was out of town. For President's Day, we celebrate and honor the people who have been in charge of our country. Do you know who our president is right now? The pictures of these two men are people that have been presidents in the past. They are no longer living. They're actually two very old presidents who have not been around in a long time. Let's read and find out a little bit more about them. The title in red is President's Day. Again, I'll read 2 times and you follow along with me the second time. We celebrate President's Day every February. We honor 2 great presidents, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. This one's George Washington. This one is Abraham Lincoln. Washington fought for our country's independence. He was our first president. Abe Lincoln ended slavery. Both lived many years ago, but we will never forget them. Now, I did pause in my reading to point out their pictures to you. I hope that wasn't too confusing. I would have done that in regular class, but you would have seen me pointing with my finger, and now it's kind of hard to show you what I need to. Let's try again, and I'll use the pointer under the words this time. See if you can follow along with me. President's Day. We celebrate President's Day every February. We honor 2 great presidents, George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. Washington fought for our country's independence. He was our first president. Abe Lincoln ended slavery. Both lived many years ago, but we will never forget them. Do you see the periods? Remember, we use those in our writing to finish a sentence, and then the next letter should always be capitalized. George Washington and Abraham Lincoln are capitalized because they are both names, just like you capitalize your name. Do you see any of our sight words? I see the word he, but, we, and will. Do you remember doing flashcards of those? We will practice some more sight words later this week.